If you ever install LEDs in your car and you get hyperblink, you need to get a new clicker flasher module. This thing here, I got this from Diode Dynamics. So I just had to plug this in and it should fix that problem. So it's located up underneath, up in here. So I don't know exactly which plug it is. I think I do know. So I'm gonna turn my hazards on and just follow the clicking sound to see if I can see it or hear it. In fact, I think that black behind that red bracket there, I'm pretty sure that's it. So I'm gonna try to replace that. Okay, so that is it. So I gotta unplug that plug in this box right here. That's the module. So unplug this, replace that. Okay, here's the new module. It's plugged in. And Chelsea, go and hit those hazards. Listen to that. Normal speed. And just like that, you're done. Goodbye.